Good morning, children. How are you all? Had your breakfast? Okay. Once again, namaste to one and all. Children, before going to the syllabus lesson, I'm going to give you a suggestion that something I will share on your screen. Look at it. Please ask your parents to download that app in your mobile. Then easily you can access all the lessons in your mobile itself, animated lessons, and that is Ratna Sagar app. It is there. No, those are all the informations are printed on the front page back side, means behind the front page they have printed. So I will share something on your screen. Look at it. Please ask your parents to download it, and easily you can get the animated lessons through that app. Okay, look at your screen. Yeah, look at this. Okay, namaste, class 4, subject English. Okay, here is that about Ratna Sagar app. I hope you are purchased the textbooks. Okay, in that English textbook, communicate in English, the textbook is there, no? Front page, it's behind. There is a page. In that, they given clearly how to download the Ratna Sagar app and how to use it. Everything it is there in that page. That page also I will attach with this PDF file, and I will send to your WhatsApp group. You can see there also. See, please download that. That link is here given. rgsr.in/CIE. It is the app. This app, if you are downloaded in your mobile, easily you can get all the lessons. Just you need to scan the page. On pages, see here. It is information given here. Download how to use the app. It is there here clearly. Look at it and ask your parents to download this. Okay, and use that one. There will be some images on the pages. For example, here. On this page it is there now. See, scan page. It is there. So on this page, if you open that app and scanned that page, means you will get this lesson. Particular lesson you will get. It's exercise, question, answers, and grammar points, and all the things will be available in this app. So please try to use this. Okay, it is one of the supported app by the publications, Ratna Sagar publications. Please use this. Okay, for external works, for external studies or study materials, you can use this app. Okay, I hope. If you have any doubts about this app, please call me and get clarification. I hope I am clear. Okay, now the first lesson of your syllabus is the English exam. The English exam, it is here. Please look at it. In the first page, front page, they given this activity. What is that activity? See, do you enjoy going to school? What do you enjoy most in school? Discuss with your partner. Like that they given. Write your, it means with your friends or somebody you can discuss with them. Now you are not in the school, you cannot discuss. So that you can discuss with your brothers or sisters who are all available in your home. You can discuss with them. Otherwise, you can just interact with your brothers and sisters in the home. Okay, at home only you can do this activity. And which is your which are your favorite subjects? Those you can mention here. And favorite activities in the school. Which activity we are conducting so many activities in our school. You know it. You know them all. So in those activities, which is your favorite activity? Okay, or there may be one activity you may like, or you like one, or somebody will be liking 2 3 activities, 4, like how many activities you are going to like in our school. So those activities you can mention here. So here it is a beautiful story, the English exam between two people. Here is a boy called Raghu and his mother. In between those two people, here is a story, the English exam. Okay, what happened to that Raghu? That is the thing here. He is also a student like you. What happened to him? We have to see that. Complete these sentences. The best thing, it means below that activity they given something here. See, look at that picture. Children are playing there. Complete these sentences. So it is now you are all missing these kind of activities, because now school is not there. You are all at home. There only you can enjoy with your brothers and sisters and parents and grandma, grandpa, or your pet with your pet animals. Okay, don't come out of your house, be safe at home and play with your family members. Now friends also not available now because they will be in their home only, so that enjoy with your parents. Here is that first part, first page of that lesson. Just I will read out this lesson, listen carefully, and also look at this screen. Look at your screen, all of you. So don't miss where I am reading. Raghu was very excited. He had his English exam that day. It was his favorite subject. So here, English is my favorite subject. I hope do well in my exam today. Now Raghu is telling to his friend, one of his friend. So English is my favorite subject. I hope I do well in my exam today. Soon it was time for the exam to begin. The teacher started distributing the question papers. Raghu awaited impatiently. I am so eager to write the exam. I wonder if questions on my favorite lessons will be included. When Raghu got the question paper, he was shocked. He couldn't believe his eyes. There are four spoons and 6 plates on each table. How many? What is this? This is not the English paper. Raghu is asking to his ma'am now. Ma'am, there is something wrong. The whole class looked at Raghu. They couldn't understand what was wrong. What's the matter, Raghu? Are you all right? There has been a mistake, ma'am. This is a maths paper. The teacher spoke kindly to Raghu. Everyone was surprised at Raghu's words. Of course, it's maths. Today is the maths exam. No, it can't be. Today is the English exam. Everyone was surprised at Raghu's words. I think you must have mixed up the dates. Did you check the date sheet? Yes, ma'am. I had checked it this morning today. Today, this morning, full stop is there. Then today we were supposed to have our English exam. Raghu was in tears. He didn't know what to do. Okay, he just stared at the paper. Now he says, Raghu, don't be so upset. Read the questions. I am sure you will be able to answer most of them. Then, but I had prepared for English today, Raghu replied. Then one of his friends said that, well, the English exam is tomorrow. The English exam is tomorrow, his friend says to Raghu. Then Raghu was totally confused and couldn't think clearly. And he started thinking, oh, what if I do badly in maths? It was supposed to be the English exam today. Raghu kept on speaking to himself. It was supposed to be English exam today. I know it was supposed to be English today. Raghu's mother noticed him kicking around in his bed, muttering something. Raghu, wake up. You must be having a bad dream. Wake up. Oh, mummy, where am I? Then mother replied, in your bed, of course. In your bed, of course, my dear son. Like that she replied. Raghu looked around. He was indeed in his bed at home. It must have been a dream. Oh, oh mummy, I had such a bad dream. Then mother says, calm down and tell me all about it. Raghu told his mother about his dream. Mummy, I dreamed that I went to the school to appear for my English exam. I found that we had the maths exam that day. I was in such a panic. You don't worry about the meanings of these new words. Some of the new words came in this part. You don't worry about them. After this lesson, I will give you the new words meanings. Okay, then you can take down into your CW. Those are all the meanings. Okay, new words meanings. Then mother replied, "Oh, you poor boy. Have you forgotten your exams? Exams are over. Have you forgotten your exams are over? Today is your first holiday. Relax and enjoy your holidays," says mother. So this is the chapter. So then in my next class surely I will explain this for you. Then later first you should take these meanings of these new words. Take 200 page 4-line notebook. 200 page 4-line notebook. Make it to two parts. One part can be used for the CW, what I am giving meanings and question answers. Write those all the meanings and question answers in the CW part, and what I am giving homework that can be written in the HW part. I hope I am clear. If you have any doubts, please call me and ask about it. Okay, or you can message me. I will reply. Surely I will reply. Okay, don't worry about your questions or doubts. Don't get agitation also. I am not scolding you. I am not going to make you this one. Okay, so panic. Always you are welcome to ask me about your syllabus or question doubts for the clearance of your doubts. Okay, surely I will clear your all the doubts. Okay, I hope I am clear. These meanings can be written in your CW. See, excited, eager, impatiently, wonder, include, shocked, whole, date sheet. Then after that, stared, upset, muttering, indeed, calm down. These kind of words are there. These meanings also I gave. Maybe these are new words for you, so that I got meanings of these words and I typed here. You can take down these all the meanings of new words into your CW. Okay, write down these all the meanings of the new words in the CW part. And panic, this is also one of the meaning that also you can take down. Then homework for you today. So read and write these all the new words and their meanings in your CW. It is homework for you, today's homework. Same. These are all the new words are there here. New words and their meanings are there. No, these are all the things you can write down in your CW. So this is the homework. First you put the chapter 1, then the English exam, and then you write meanings of new words. Then you write these all the meanings in the CW. I hope I am clear. Okay, take care all of you children. See you in my next class. Okay, be safe at home, stay safe. Okay, may God bless you.